So the brand sent me this Press Pet Spray Hair Removal Comb, and I cannot wait to try it out on my two dogs. I have two Yorkie Terrier mixes, and we live in Cleveland, Ohio. The winter is really cold, so we don't take them to the groomer to get a haircut as often, and this brush will really come in handy. Now inside the box, we have the actual comb itself, and on the back of the comb, we have the power button to turn it on and off. And this is where you will actually put in your water and your leave-in conditioner or leave-in shampoo. And this button right here is what you will use to remove the hair. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So here we have Bentley, and we're gonna go ahead and use this brush. So once you turn it on, you can see the steam comes out. And Bentley actually loves to get brushed. He does have allergies, so I did use some hypoallergenic leave-in conditioner for him and his sensitive skin. And he always loves to get brushed and any type of rub that feels like a scratch. So he is absolutely loving his spa treatment and being such a good boy. So as you can see, it did collect a lot of hair, and in order to release the hair, you just push this paw button in the back, and look at that. It takes the hair right out. Let's go ahead and turn off the steam so you can get a good view. But as you can see, then all I would have to do is remove the hair right away. This is a great tool to use no matter what size dog you have. My two Yorkies, I feel like, are really going to love their in-between grooming that we can now give them.